Stressed out and seeking a thrilling escape? Look no further. Join us on a captivating journey through the world of kinetic toys that will infuse life and energy into your living space. From mind-bending desktop sculptures to enchanting tiny spinners, these artful creations merge science, play, and sheer joy, offering a sanctuary of mesmerizing and soothing movements. Prepare to discover how these kinetic wonders can effortlessly bring peace of mind and endless fun to your home. Welcome to Gadget's Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. In a realm where technology transcends mere utility, behold the Novatrope, an electronic sculpture designed to ignite infinite visual delight. It's like having a breathtaking piece of art right in front of you. The concept is elegantly simple yet profound. A little figure placed on the dock starts spinning, while strobe lights from within illuminate the sculpture, casting a beautiful spell of perpetual motion. As you gaze upon this masterpiece, you'll witness the pinnacle of geometry as each figure adheres to the golden ratio and the mesmerizing Fibonacci sequence. With a wide array of sculptures and exquisite wooden docks to choose from, owning one of these works of art will not only calm your soul, but also alleviate stress in the process. Yearning to test your luck, patience, and agility? Enter the realm of a seemingly unassuming metal wonder that possesses the power to unleash your hidden abilities. Meet the Flip and Roll, a seemingly simple and small piece that will elevate your skills to maximum levels. With a single flick and roll across your desk, you'll be amazed by the challenges it presents. Though mastering the art of flipping may require some time and practice, once you've honed your skills, you can even compete with friends to determine who can execute the most impressive flips. Pro tip: opt for a sloping surface for an easier flipping experience. So, take a moment to bask in the fascinating movements of this marvel as it gracefully traverses the table. Prepare to be utterly amazed by the sheer awesomeness of the flip and roll. But wait, there's more. Have you ever gazed upon an hourglass and marveled at its beauty? Brace yourself, for what you're about to witness will shatter your expectations. Introducing the Water Drop Sculpture, a breathtaking twist on a timeless classic. Instead of sand, this marvel employs drops of water flowing upwards, defying gravity itself. Immerse yourself in its surreal glow, especially in the darkness, where ambient light brings forth an otherworldly allure. However, like any enigmatic masterpiece, it has its caveats. Beware, as the water drop sculpture is not for the faint of heart, emitting a rather audible sound that may disrupt your sleep or work environment. Yet, fear not, for it houses an integrated ionizer, purifying the air around you. And here's the coolest part: you can actually touch and interact with the droplets, giving you the freedom to explore, catch, and experience the wonder for yourself. Embrace the magic of the water drop sculpture. Searching for a source of endless relaxation and creativity? Enter the realm of magnetic wonders, where stress melts away and your imagination thrives. Picture this: pentagons adorned with powerful rare earth magnets, enabling you to effortlessly construct an array of intricate figures. With over 100 combinations at your fingertips, the possibilities are limitless. Shake the pentagons in your palm and behold as they spontaneously form a captivating sphere, providing respite when complexity becomes overwhelming. But that's not all. Experience the satisfaction of perfectly carved miniature Speks magnets, allowing you to build, mold, sculpt and engineer an endless array of shapes. Ever found yourself lost in a trance while fixated on a subject? Prepare to be blown away by two mind-bending kinetic toys that will revolutionize your world. First up, we have Marbolous, the ultimate game changer for classic marble tracks. Give those marble balls a gentle nudge and witness their graceful glide down the sleek metal tracks. No need to worry about them bouncing away. Marbolous comes equipped with a protective glass dome to keep everything contained. But hold on, there's another option. This one ditches the dome, allowing the ball to soar freely on its designated trajectory, propelled by the magnetic forces within. It's a sight to behold. Up next, the Lollipopter, a twisted masterpiece reminiscent of a deliciously surreal lollipop. With a simple twist, you unleash a burst of awe-inspiring motion, transforming the tube and plastic pieces into a candy-like display. Keep twisting until your bad mood dissipates into thin air. The Lollipopter comes in 4 vibrant colors, serving as both a stress-relieving tool and a stunning desk decoration. Don't overlook the spinners in this extraordinary kinetic toy set. Take a closer look at the metal spinner adorned with 2 delicate leaf designs. Its CNC precision machining ensures a delicate and smooth surface, offering an incredibly comfortable grip. Don't forget to press the central part to savor those satisfying clicks. And here's another gem, a slightly bulkier spinner that can spin continuously over half an hour. If spinners aren't your thing, but you still need a stress-relieving companion, the roller is the perfect choice. Simply roll it in the palm of your hand and experience a truly satisfying sensation that surpasses nail-biting. Not only will it bring you tranquility, but it also strengthens your fingers and forearm. Crafted entirely from aircraft-grade anodized aluminum, its bead-blasted finish feels exquisite and smooth. Choose from 3 sleek colors, black, silver, or rose gold, and conveniently carry it with you in the included pouch. Ah, gravity, you fickle force. But fear not, as we harness its laws to construct our very own ball track. Dive into a world where tiles, levels, and tracks combine to create the perfect playground for metal balls. Discover how physics influences the trajectory of each ball as it navigates curves, crosses, free falls, and even a cannon. The best part, you can continuously expand and enhance your ball track by adding more sets, immersing yourself in the ultimate kinetic wonderland. Hold on tight, because we've introduced a bike chain into the mix. With the 2 bearings providing a seamless experience, you'll feel like you're cruising on a real bike. Swipe it back and forth on the table or effortlessly spin it between your fingers like a pro. This fidget toy will become your constant companion. Don't forget to choose your favorite color, as you'll be spending countless hours with this delightful creation. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.